Have you ever wondered where the magic happens behind your StashAway investments? Let's dive into the heart of the matter. StashAway, a popular investment platform, has been gaining traction for its user-friendly approach to investing. But where exactly is this innovative company headquartered? StashAway is primarily based in Singapore. This strategic location offers several advantages. A global financial hub, Singapore is renowned as a global financial center, providing access to a diverse range of investment opportunities. Strong regulatory environment, Singapore has a robust regulatory framework, ensuring investor protection and compliance with international standards. A talent pool, the country boasts a highly skilled workforce, attracting top talent in finance, technology, and other relevant fields. Why Singapore? Strategic positioning, being in Singapore allows StashAway to tap into the Asian market, a region with significant growth potential. Technological advantage, Singapore is a tech hub, providing access to cutting-edge technology and innovation. This aligns perfectly with StashAway's focus on leveraging technology to simplify investing. Global reach, Singapore's strategic location and strong international connections enable StashAway to expand its operations to other markets. While Singapore is the primary base, StashAway also has a presence in other countries. This global footprint allows the company to better serve its diverse customer base and adapt to local market dynamics. So, the next time you log into your StashAway account, remember that the team behind the platform is working hard from their base in Singapore. Their dedication to providing accessible and efficient investment solutions is driving innovation in the industry. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.